Okay, this is my handle.seek. So handle.seek I'll be using to move my cursor position from start or from my end. Okay. So in write mode, I cannot do my read operation. Okay. So far we have covered read, write, and the write plus mode. Now
So
why we
that
have
is only that.
write and yeah, that's only that. Yeah. Now read plus mode. Okay. So what is my read plus mode? In read plus mode, I can do read plus write operation. Okay. Now it looks same that I have W plus and R plus. So in W plus also I can do my read and write. Okay. In R plus also I can do my read and write. So why we have to separate? Okay. So the reason is in R plus mode. So when I open a file in R plus mode, my old content is not clear. Okay. So that's why I can my first logical operation can be read operation in R plus mode. But if you consider W plus mode, my first logically operation should be write because there will be nothing to read in my file. It will be
So
closed.
in R plus mode, if you open it in R plus mode and if you do the read, it will read the
Entire file.
And after that, if you write something, then again
It
it will
will
clear it off, right?
no, no. It will keep it there
So the cursor position will be
at last. And so if you directly start writing, it will start overwriting. I will see all the cases. Opening a file in R plus mode. Okay. Now if I just start directly writing, defaultly my file cursor will be at start. So I think okay. So earlier I have something like another line something like this. Now I said handle dot write directly. So it actually overwritten the old content. Okay. So the difference between my W plus mode, my content will not be flushed in my R plus mode. I will have my old content. I will have my new content. I can write also.
W plus mode, it will clear it off.
It will clear it off, and that's why my first operation should be logically write only because there's nothing to read. In R plus mode, I can start with the read operation. I can write. I can perform read operation again.
Okay. One thing, like we have opened it in D plus mode, but the cursor position will be
at start. So in R plus W plus, my cursor position will be at start of the
no W plus it's started, right?
So it's at start. Everything is flushed. There's nothing in my file, and my file cursor is at starting position.
But in write, when you provide the content that needs to be written, it writes that,
and then it's at yeah. So it will be the same case. If in write plus also, if my first operation is write, and then if we check the file cursor, it will be in that position.
Okay, just when you like
so if you want to check the original cursor position, you just have to open the file and check your cursor position here.
Before performing that.
Yeah. Okay, it's 0 here. It's 0. Okay. So in my R plus mode, it will act. I can do all the things. That again you have to keep in mind the cursor position, otherwise it will override the content.
See, we can read it and we can get the length of the string.
Yeah.
And we can set the cursor, right?
So you can directly do handle.seek 0, 2.
Oh yeah.
So R plus I have. I'll just do it at the start handle.seek 0, 2. Now just print.
Okay, so one thing, if an when we are opening R plus mode and if the file doesn't exist.
Yeah, it will not create. Okay,
W plus it will create.
it will create. Okay. So next mode is append and append plus. Now I'm opening it in append mode. In append mode, I can append mode. Defaultly, my cursor position will be at end of the. You can write something new. It will defaultly start adding to the first. Okay. Again, now if I'm in append mode, I cannot read the content. Okay. So if I try this, first thing it will throw me in. Okay. If you want to do write and if you want to read it also, I have append plus mode. Now again in append plus mode, my file pointer will be at last position. I'm writing something new, it will get appended at the end. And now I can read it. But again, if you see, I'll get empty string.
Because it is a
Exactly.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Only zero will go.
Yeah. So I'm just saying and dot seek or zero. And that's it. I finished the file operations before it.
Perfect. So A plus mode, read and write both can happen.
Yeah.
A only that.
So in A plus I can do write and read. In append mode it will be only write. So the difference. So if you compare R plus and a append plus, the difference is of only the starting cursor position. That's the only difference between these two. Because it both modes maintain the old content. So my old content is not cleared, same with the previous mode. So it's just a difference of the file cursor. So if you are using R plus mode and if you want to append it at end, you can just do handle.seek and 2,0. It works as a append plus. There is nothing extra in this.
So why so many?
Yeah. Why so many? Okay. So the reason we need this extra libraries, that is XML and JSON parsing, is if you see, whenever I'm opening a file, I'm reading a file, I'm getting entire file content as a string. Okay. Now if you see XML and JSON, I have only data. And if I have to manipulate the data and if I want to locate a particular node, I need to write a for loop and I need to check for that particular node. Okay. So in order to simplify that, we have few libraries for XML and JSON that we'll cover in another lecture. So what this library will do, they have a simple function. So it will convert your entire XML file into a Python dictionary.
Okay.
And now you can directly access it using your keys, you can manipulate that, you can write
Okay,
the
we can
file.
directly access the keys.
Exactly. So the operations will be same. You will open the file, you will access the content. Now whatever content you have, you will use this function to convert it to a dictionary. You will manipulate that dictionary. Once you're done with working with that, you will again convert it back to the XML or a JSON format, and you will again write it back to the.
I guess I've done one part of reading the JSON
Okay.
in Ruby.
Oh,
It's also similar.
yeah. So
It's also
from
this
just
we can create right in our location.
So clear operations.
So,
All right.
so in plus mode, both read and write can be done.
Yeah.
Cursor will be at the
Yeah. Again in append mode, it will create a new file for you.
It will create.
Yeah. If the file does not exist, it will create a new file for you.
So you were supposed to cover JSON also?
No.
Separate.
So actually we go into XML and JSON once we cover this lambda and everything. Kind of mixed up thing. So tomorrow we'll start with the regular expressions.
What about those cells?